Hey everyone, welcome back to ScrollFlash. Today we're diving into something super useful. How to send WhatsApp messages without saving contacts. Let's face it, we've all been in a situation where we need to send a quick message, but we don't want to clutter our phone book. Well, I've got 5 easy methods to show you just how to do that. Method 1. Using WhatsApp's own click-to-chat feature. This one's probably the easiest. All you need to do is open your browser and type this URL https://wa.me/. Replace the country code and phone number with the one you want to message and boom, a WhatsApp chat window will open. Method 2. Browser shortcuts. If you're using Google Chrome or any mobile browser, you can create a shortcut on your home screen for specific WhatsApp chats using the same link we just talked about. It's like setting up a quick access button for any unsaved number. Method 3. Truecaller. If you use Truecaller for identifying unknown numbers, you can easily initiate a WhatsApp chat without saving the contact. Just tap on the number in the Truecaller app, select message on WhatsApp, and that's it. Method 4. Google Assistant. If you're on Android, you can simply ask Google Assistant to send a WhatsApp message for you. Say something like, "Hey Google, send a WhatsApp message to number," and you're all set. Method 5. Siri shortcuts for iPhone users. This is a bit more technical, but once you set it up, it's a breeze. Using the Siri Shortcuts app, you can create a workflow that allows you to quickly send WhatsApp messages to unsaved numbers using voice commands. And that's it. 5 super easy ways to send WhatsApp messages without saving the contact. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another tech tip from ScrollFlash. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.